Yeah, you are encouraging. Barnacles is just fixated on the puppy bowl. It's like, wait a minute, what is this new thing you call puppy bowl?
Hedgehogs.
Barney, what is this puppy bowl? What is this puppy bowl? You see him? He got totally intent. Go get him, Barnacles. Oh. Oh, there he is. The kitty cat.
What that?
What is he doing? Barney, who do you see outside? Oh, you're getting a closer view from an angle?
I think
He's getting a closer view from an angle.
I think he thinks they're outside.
Oh my gosh. I'm becoming one of those people taking
Barney!
pictures of their dogs. My God, I can't take it. No.